Recently, I went to an event where Calvin Collette was speaking, and he's the CEO of Melon Mobile, the first all-digital mobile network in South Africa. And he's going up against like the MTNs, the Vodacoms, the Cell Cs. So naturally, I had to rush home to tell you my biggest takeaways.
So, if you're building a business that has to rival industry giants, you cannot follow their blueprint. No, you have to bring a solution to a problem that they have either neglected to solve in the industry or just haven't addressed at all. Or you need to specialize in an area that they have not found traction yet. Then secondly, you need to rely on your industry knowledge and experience. And if you do not have that, you need to partner with someone or a business that does. Now, choosing a partner is very important. They need to be vested in the business, not only for their own monetary gain, but also for the financial health of the business. This will help you in the hard times. And then lastly, when you're ready to go to market, you need to have very unique positioning. And by that, I mean marketing and branding. And choose a brand that can scale and grow, right? Now, the thing is, on top of that, when you go to market, make sure you communicate very, very clearly what exactly it is that you offer and how it is different to the competitors within the market. So, that was my takeaways. Hope it helps.